Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, it's about to be the winter season in Delhi. Now, if you have noticed, during this time you might be getting many pest attacks. Today we are going to talk about one of the pest attack, which is Aphis gossypii. Aphis is a tiny insect which sucks the sap of your plants. If this happens, then your plants cannot get any kind of vegetables, fruits, or flowers. Therefore, it is essential to remove those. You can remove it using chemical pesticides, but as you know, we do organic gardening, we are not going to use any kind of chemicals. I have two methods of removing this. First method. If you have wood ash by chance, then make sure to sprinkle it over the areas where the pests have attacked. But if you do not have wood ashes, then you can use the second way, which I'm pretty sure most of you might have, which is some detergent powder. Then mix it with water and spray it on the areas where your plant has been attacked. But if you do have wood ashes, then make sure to use wood ashes because it is the best. And using wood ashes, the pests will be gone in no time. But if you don't, the second step also works fine. Here, as soon as my mom sprayed on the affected areas, these pests started running away from the sap. Here, as you can see, there is no pests on the sap, they are all running away. Now if we do this for 3 to 4 days, all the pests will be gone in no time. So that's what my mom did. Also make sure that when you're spraying on the plants, it must be early morning. After spraying this for 3 to 4 days, my mom noticed that there were no pests at all. And the beans of our plants were also growing very healthy. But still, my mom thought of spraying this liquid for a few more days so that the remaining pests will die and there will be no more pest attacks. Also keep in mind that excessive use of this detergent can also hurt the plants. And of course, instead of detergent, you can always use neem oil. Neem oil also works as well as detergent. And if you wish, you can also add a little bit of bioenzyme. But it's completely up to you now. Do you know, after spraying this for 5 to 6 days, my mom noticed that the beans were healthy. So make sure to always look in your plants if you also have any kind of pest attacks. And remove it as soon as possible. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to watch our other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.